What's up, guys?
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bedroom.
Mic check.
You can get me when you're drunk. Apathy is how I get through. Until you ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean it? Are you thinking you might run? Maybe we should sleep on it. Just wait till the morning comes. 'Cause yes, I really mean it. I'm half the man when you're not around. Baby, we can make it. Oh, to us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me.
Check. Magngisi daw. Force na.
Lumaki po ako sa farm.
Hoy! Alisa, go. Go, Alex. Bitaw, makaugas, makatil dito.
Uy, ay! Bubuhin na lang. Para bubuhin na lang.
Naghinay-hinay pa siya. Lubong na nagyapon niya.
Nalubong na 4x4x. Ay lang, saan ako dito? Mapak yan.